Welcome to 3650 South Glebe Road in Arlington. Our unit is 1048 with amazing views.
With over 2,100 square feet in this luxury high-rise condo, it truly has it all. As you're looking at open concept and what means most to people, take a look at this kitchen. Not just an open kitchen, but look at the breakfast bar that overlooks the entire view. This expansive kitchen boasts a breakfast bar, up to 8 people, recessed lighting, pendant lighting, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and the open design with light filling throughout. Now, as you start to entertain, you really need a division of space. That's why you can see the dining room that I'm stepping into now and the living room, which can all combine as a great room or be separated. And let me show you a secret that this condo has and none others on the market right now have, which is the views. It's common in a high-rise, especially a penthouse unit, to have views, but not like this condo. With this condominium, you have 4 separate views. Over my shoulder, you can see a view of the Washington Monument, the Capitol. It's amazing to see the landscape of DC from your own private unit here on balcony 1. From balcony 2, you get a premier view of National Airport and the rooftop terrace for the Eclipse.
The third balcony gives you a view of the Potomac River, the Mount Vernon Trail, and the MGM Hotel at National Harbor. The fourth balcony gives you a view of Old Town Alexandria. The new owner will love this fabulous primary suite with fresh paint, brand new carpet, a walk-in closet with custom shelving, 2 balconies that are amazing. The ensuite bathroom has dual vanities, its own water closet, soaking tub, and walk-in shower. The home also features a powder room off the main living area, 2 additional bedrooms that share a full-size bathroom, and a washer and dryer in your own unit. Another amenity at the Eclipse is the community room. You have a movie theater room to entertain. You have a bar along with a built-in microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator that leads back out to the rooftop terrace. Just a few floors down from your new home is this rooftop terrace. Fabulous for entertaining. So much seating. You've got views of the Potomac River. You've got the Washington Monument and the Capitol. You will love this outdoor space. Another feature at the Eclipse is the fitness center with plenty of treadmills, recumbent bikes, elliptical, and strength training equipment. Right off the fitness center is your outdoor pool that you can enjoy all summer long. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.